My name is Tatiana. I am a Florida certified teacher and a test prep expert of study.com. And today, I want to share some things that I've learned to help you become a certified teacher one day. We're going to look at some questions from test code 052 of the FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 exam. We're going to specifically look at the subtopic knowledge of food preparation. So let's take a look at some practice questions. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. Problem 1. Select the option that best describes the food preparation technique known as whipping. Rapidly stirring a liquid to transform it into a creamy consistency, pressing and pushing dough with hands repeatedly, lightly mixing multiple ingredients into a bowl with an elongated instrument, removal of an outer layer of a food item by use of a knife or special tool. Looking at these answer choices, let's take a look at the first one. Rapidly stirring a liquid to transform it into a creamy consistency. This particular answer choice fits the definition of whipping, which means where liquids are rapidly beaten to incorporate air. So we're going to just put a placeholder here because we'll come back to that specific response. Option 2, pressing and pushing dough with hands repeatedly. This describes kneading, not whipping. So in this case, this would not be the correct answer. Option 3, lightly mixing multiple ingredients into a bowl with an elongated instrument. This matches more stirring and folding, not necessarily whipping. So this would not be the correct answer as well. Option 4, removal of an outer layer of a food item by use of a knife or special tool. This describes peeling, not whipping. So this would not be correct. So the best answer in this case is option 1, repeatedly stirring a liquid to transform it into a creamy consistency. Problem number 2. When a grease fire breaks out in the kitchen, the best way to contain it and prevent the spread of fire is to let it burn, use your hands, pour water on it, use baking soda. Let's take a look at these options. The first one is let it burn. Letting the fire burn will allow it to spread and also worsen and create more danger. So in this case, this would not be the best option. Use your hands. Using your hands is extremely dangerous and unsafe and can cause serious burns. So this also would not be a good option in this case. Pour water on it. Pouring water on a grease fire can cause the fire to flare up and the flames to spread, which is what we don't want. So we would not have that as an option as well. Use baking soda. Baking soda can smother the fire, cutting off its oxygen supply and safely extinguishing it. So in this case, this would be the correct answer. Problem number 3. When adhering to a recipe, a mother must fold the liquid ingredients into the dry powder mixture. In doing so, after the woman adds the liquid to the dry ingredients, she will briskly whisk the ingredients together, mix the ingredients and then separate the results into 2 parts, turn the ingredients into each other, or boil the mixture while stirring. Let's take a look at these answer choices. Briskly whisk the ingredients together. Whisking involves rapid motion, which is not necessarily folding, which is what the woman is asked to do. So this would not be the correct answer here. Mix the ingredients and then separate the results into 2 parts. Folding does not involve separating ingredients, and because the ingredients are mixed, you cannot then separate them into 2 parts. So this would not be the correct answer. Turn the ingredients into each other. Folding involves gently combining the ingredients by turning or lifting them into each other. This particular description matches what the lady is asked to do. So we'll put a check mark here for now. The last one is boil the mixture while stirring. Boiling and stirring are not part of folding. So this would not be the correct answer here, which leave us with this one here. Turn the ingredients into each other. Problem number 4. Laura is preparing a fruit salad for her friends to eat. She plans to include apples and peaches in the salad, but needs to chop them into smaller pieces. Which of the following types of food preparation equipment would be best suited for this task? Blender, peeler, grater, cutter. Let's take a look at the answer choices. Blender. Blender purees or liquefies ingredients, not chops them. So in this case, it would not be the correct answer because she plans on putting these items into the salad in small pieces, not as a puree or a smoothie-like consistency. Peeler. A peeler removes the outer skin but does not chop food into smaller pieces, which is exactly what Laura is trying to do. So a peeler would not be a good answer choice here. Grater. A grater shreds food into fine pieces, unsuitable for a fruit salad, which you would like to have more chunks in your salad rather than fine pieces. So this would not be a correct answer either, which leaves us with cutter. A cutter or a knife is designed to chop food into smaller pieces, making it an ideal tool to use for this task of making the fruit salad. So in this case, our answer would be a cutter. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more practice questions. Also, to get notified when more videos are posted. Check out study.com for full practice tests, hundreds of practice questions, testing strategies, as well as resources to get you ready for the test. Hope to see you soon.